In this video, you're going to see what happens when you go for scaling and polishing, which is a part of professional cleaning at your dental clinic. It's going to be broken down into two parts, just as the name suggests, scaling and polishing. This is called a mouth prop. You can also call it a bite block. Here is what it actually looks like, and it's used to keep the patient's mouth open during a dental procedure. This is an intraoral camera used by the dentist to take high-resolution images of the inside of a patient's mouth. These pictures show the state of our patient's teeth, and as you can see, tartar has accumulated since his last visit. We will be showing you the before and after of the procedure towards the end of the video, so stick around to see the transformation. This procedure is a two-person job, and the tools being used here are a dental mirror, a high-frequency ultrasonic scaler, and a saliva ejector. The dentist is using the dental mirror to access areas of the mouth he can't easily reach or see, and the ultrasonic scaler, which is a tool that vibrates at a high speed to break down tartar and plaque while spraying water to wash away debris. The dental assistant is using a saliva ejector to continuously remove water, saliva, and debris. Scaling is relatively the longest part of the procedure, so if you feel the need to take a short break, don't be shy to ask your dentist for one. This next part of the process is intended to remove surface stains and smoothen the enamel. The tools used here are a dental mirror, saliva ejector, prophy brush, prophy paste, and after polishing, the oral irrigator, which we shall talk about later in the video. The dentist uses the dental mirror again to access areas of the mouth he can't easily reach or see, and the prophy brush to apply the prophy paste for purposes of polishing and cleaning the teeth. The dental assistant holds the prophy paste for the dentist and uses the saliva ejector to keep removing water and saliva as the polishing is happening. This is the oral irrigator being used to rinse debris and the remaining polishing materials off the teeth. It works together with the saliva ejector, which drains majority of the material it washes away. The patient is given water to rinse and spit in order to remove any remaining polishing materials.
So you can see where I was starting. On the rest of your teeth, it was mostly on the right. Don't worry about the small spaces. It's because of the space that had been occupied by the tattoo. Just close up. This is after. No tattoo all around your teeth. This is before you can see tattoo then. You can see around your molar. This is the one that is a bit more concerning on the upper right side. And after, clean. The gun is a bit pink. It's pink. So that's why I'm not too worried. And I wasn't too aggressive with going under your gun. Because you don't have tattoo deposits for your baby to do. Okay. So other than, yes, it was mostly on the surfaces.